What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with an unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another Nike box. This is I think two Hurley button ups in another box of those. I think this one's a black one still. And oh no, it's three. It's actually three. Yeah, three of them. Um, two long ones and another one that is short sleeve. Yeah. Button ups. You got a receipt right here. Throw that away. The box, you can throw it away. I'll give it to your cat or dog or baby or uncle or freaking anyone you want. So you see, you got your white button-up shirt, which looks pretty nice. There's the tag. There's the other tag. And then you got this navy one, which I really like, which is a long sleeve. It's a long sleeve. My bad. There we go. And then the long sleeve or either the short sleeve one too. Tag right there. Other tag. Yeah. Show you guys this short sleeve, I believe. You got that Hurley right here. Show you a close up. You got the RAM. Shirt sleeve. On the back, you got nothing else. Um, Buttons are black. Basic thing, bro. Large. Show you the tag again, just to make sure. Go 45. So you got your pocket here, and you got the Hurley and 3M, just like the other one, just a long sleeve this time. You got your black buttons, your tag right there, your other tag. So long sleeve right here. Let's see you got black buttons, the long sleeve. There you go. Basically the same as the other one. Blue buttons. Show you a quick look. Tag, large, same thing as the other ones. The other tag, same thing, just different colorway. The Hurley and the 3M. Pocket on that side. Long, comfortable. They feel really nice, soft. They got that thing in the back so you can hook them on. Yeah, pretty nice colorway. I really like them. Um, Thank you guys for supporting me, liking the video, everything. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.